Tailgating doesn't benefit anyone on the road. Whether intentional or not, it increases everyone's crash risk. Tailgating or following too close to another driver can be unintentional, usually in dense traffic when the driver has a lack of knowledge about recommended safe distances. Yet it can also be intentional when a driver is angry or aggressive, acting with purpose against other road users. How big is the issue? In Queensland, for instance, tailgating contributes to at least 8,000 rear-end crashes annually, with younger drivers aged 17 to 25 more likely to tailgate than older drivers. Tailgating can result in crashes involving two or more vehicles, and rear-end crashes typically occur when a vehicle strikes the rear of another moving in the same direction. In these crashes, the struck vehicle occupant is usually more severely injured than those in the striking vehicle. In this type of crash, the occupants of both vehicles are at risk of whiplash, where their head is suddenly forced forward and then backward, potentially causing neck injuries ranging from mild muscle strains to something more serious like nerve or disc damage. Studies also show that economic costs associated with whiplash injuries in Australia exceed $950 million per annum. And international research shows that stronger mobile phone laws can reduce rear-end crashes by up to 11%, as driver distraction is a key contributing factor. As a driver, how can you reduce the risk of rear-end crashes? Plan your route and identify the key turns and exits. Set yourself up in a comfortable driving position with your headrest suitably adjusted. Check your mirrors frequently. Drivers should check their mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds and then again when slowing down or stopping. Stay alert and focused when driving or stopped. Even if no vehicles were behind you when you're stopped, others may approach quickly whilst you wait. Maintain a safe following distance. The ideal stopping distance is a gap of 2 to 4 seconds between your vehicle and the one in front, and increase your following distance during bad weather. Slow down gradually when approaching a stop sign or a red light. This gives the vehicle behind you time to slow safely. And regularly check your brakes and brake lights. Faulty brakes or lights can make your vehicle unsafe and increase risk for others. Look ahead. Anticipate traffic changes by watching the signs of braking further up the road. And handle tailgaters wisely. If a driver is following too closely, increase your own following distance to allow enough stopping time between you and the vehicle behind. As a manager, address the root causes of tailgating. Openly discuss with workers both the intentional and unintentional reasons for tailgating and identify strategies to prevent it. Equip your workers with the skills and tools to manage behaviours and situations that usually lead to tailgating, such as road rage. When you're renewing your fleet, invest in safe vehicles with integrated safety systems, such as autonomous emergency braking, and promote a safety-first culture by discussing the organisation's commitment to road safety. Workers should have the confidence that their organisation prioritises safety and not feel pressured to take unnecessary risks on the road, such as tailgating.